Some wing parts. Some people call them wingdings. But anywho, we're going to start off by putting some lemon pepper seasoning on here. Hi guys, welcome back to the kitchen. How's everybody doing today? Good. Your girl is back with another video. Today, you guys, we are gonna make us some delicious lemon pepper wings. That's right, my take on some lemon pepper wings, you guys. I know we all have our likes, and I hope you checked out the buffalo wings that I did as well. So yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying all the videos. I am trying to give you my best. And y'all, I'm just an ordinary cook, you guys. That's all. So anywho, we have some wing parts. Some people call them wingdings. But anywho, we're going to start off by putting some lemon pepper seasoning on here. Now, I'm going to open it up because I want to get a lot of it on here. Okay? We see a couple of chunks and it's okay. It's definitely okay. So you guys, I'm going to go ahead and break them chunks on up. Because once I put this fresh lemon juice, because I have fresh lemon juice right here. And I also have some bottled lemon juice that I'm going to use. Why? Because this is going to be a marinade. I can never get that right, but you follow me on this. Okay? So we're going to marinate this. But we're also going to add some paprika to help with the coloring. Okay? And we're going to add some extra black pepper, you guys. And that is it. That is all we're going to add to this. And we're going to mix that on up, you guys. And we're going to let this soak and marinate for 20 minutes in a bag, you guys. Yes. We're going to make us some delicious, delicious lemon pepper wings. So here is our bag right here. We're going to put all of this, including the juice, over in this bag, you guys. Because we want all of that flavor. So we're going to stick this in the refrigerator for approximately 20 minutes. And yeah, we'll be back when we get to the cooking process. Okay guys, so today, like I said, we was doing these lemon peppers, right? Okay, so we're in the kitchen again. So, you guys, the lemon pepper chicken has been marinating for quite a minute, because I had to make an errand. But anyway, we know they're good and ready. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to insert these onto our pan, our rack. Okay, so we're going to go on and get these on in here. Look at that seasoning that marinated in there, you guys. Oh, this is gonna be so delicious. So delicious. I hope you guys checked out my buffalo wing video. So we got all of that out. Okay, let me wipe my hands. Now we're going to insert these in the air fryer. Yes, no oven, you guys. And we're going to turn it on. And we're going to let them cook for approximately 40 minutes. But meantime, I will be checking on them, because I want them good and crispy. I don't know about you guys, but I love a crispy lemon pepper chicken. So if you never tried this recipe, go check this recipe out. And yeah, tell me how you like it. It's quick and easy, and it's an easy go-to meal. You guys, I love lemon pepper chicken. So yeah, we'll be back once it gets done, because your girl can't wait. Guys, we are back to check on our lemon pepper wings. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at the deliciousness. It never seems to amaze me. Look at that deliciousness. You guys, I have to put them up. Let's turn that off. And yeah, you guys, it only takes half of the time. So yes, look at that deliciousness. It only takes half of the time. I would say approximately 17 to 20 minutes to have you some quick and easy, simple lemon pepper wings, you guys. So we're going to take that out. Excuse the beeping. We're going to take these off. These are really small wings, you guys. But it's still okay. You guys, look at there. We're gonna put us a little garnishment on here. Now you guys could add to some more lemon pepper, but I feel as if that is definitely enough lemon pepper. So only thing I'm gonna add on here is some lemons. You guys, check that out. These are some crispy lemon pepper wings, you guys. So yeah, if you've been with me for the first time, thumbs up, straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yes, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. Leave a comment below so I know where to go. So there you have it. I am sending much love from my house to yours. Try this recipe. Tell me if you like it. And yeah, hey, you never know what you might get on Cooking with Mrs.T video. So sending much love. Bye.